This video will demonstrate how to use the Geographic Information System, or GIS. The GIS allows you to identify location or jurisdiction codes and tax rates for a specific address. To look up location codes and tax rates using the GIS, begin on tax.colorado.gov. Select Online Services in the blue menu bar, then select Look Up Rates from the Geographic Information System menu panel. Next, enter the address that you would like location codes and tax rates for. If you would like to look up information for multiple addresses, you can select the Bulk Address Lookup and submit an entire address database of Colorado addresses in a single file. Before continuing, please confirm that the address you entered is complete and free of error. If the address you entered into the GIS was incomplete or contained errors, any resulting failure to collect the correct tax will not be considered a result of an error or omission in the GIS database, and you will not be relieved of liability. Once you've ensured that your address is accurate, select the gold button, Accept Terms, and get started. The jurisdiction or location code is located directly beneath the photo and address on the left side of the screen. This code can be used to accurately and quickly set up non-physical sites in Revenue Online. The GIS displays the total tax rate for the address along with tax rate details, which breaks down the total tax rate and displays individual jurisdictions. Selecting the gold arrow next to General Merchandise allows you to view specific tax rates for products and services. If you select an item from the list, the tax rate will change to reflect your selection. If you need to look up a tax rate for a prior date, you can select the calendar icon and choose the date that you need a report for. This feature may be useful if you are amending a return or if you need to collect information about tax rates from prior periods. Please note that you are required to maintain documents verifying the tax rate you used was obtained through the GIS for a minimum of 3 years. Select the export icon to view a tax lookup report for the date you selected and print or save it for your records. Thank you for watching this video on how to use the GIS.